So in the beginning of 2021, LG decided to close their mobile division, but promised support for their devices like the LG V60, the LG Wing, and the LG Velvet. The LG Wing owners could celebrate today. Let's talk about it. What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So I got two LG Wings. One of them got Android 11 and one of them did not. So let's go down and talk about it. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I got two LG Wings here. I got the Verizon wireless variant and I have the T-Mobile variant. So my LG Wing just received Android 11. Now look, we know that Android 12 is out. And I can tell you that I'm not pleased with Android 12 using the Google Pixel. I'm telling you, it's not ready for prime time. So I'm pleased to use Android 11, and it's okay for manufacturers to hold off on updating their devices to Android 12 because of the issues that Android 12, me using the Pixel, is not as prime as Android 11. So I got Android 11 here. I updated the device already on my Verizon wireless variant, and I have Android 10, which is not available for the T-Mobile variant. So let's talk about some of the things that I've seen so far with Android 11 versus Android 10. First, the notification shade, right? It's a little more cleaner on Android 11 versus Android 10. So they got the complete change log that's available online, but the notifications is a little cleaner on Android 11 versus Android 10. Next, let's talk about Geekbench. I ran Geekbench 5 on both devices and looked like Android 11 took a little hit on performance a little bit versus Android 10. But on 3D Mark, it's a little different. Android 11 is a lot better than Android 10. So look, you got to take these benchmark tests with a grain of salt. Instead of 9.8 frames per second, I was getting 10.2 frames per second on the benchmark test. Me using it so far, I haven't seen any slowdowns, any hiccups or anything coming from Android 10 to Android 11. Okay, so let's talk about the cameras on both of these devices, Android 10, Android 11. You don't see any significant differences between the cameras here. Even when you go into the settings, it's really no significant differences. Now, I made a video about some of the differences as far as the variance between T-Mobile and Verizon Wireless. Please check out that video. I was frustrated that both of these devices that's on two different carriers have two different menus when it comes down to the cameras. Also in gimbal mode, you don't see any changes here with these devices. So let's talk about quality of photo and video. Let me go outside in the park and let me shoot some photos and video and let y'all guys see if there's any differences between both of these devices on Android 10 versus Android 11. So check this out.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is. This is the LG Wing with Android 10 and the LG Wing with Android 11. Testing out the cameras here. You be the judge for yourself. I am going to go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear it, the audio differences between both devices. But to look at this, I ain't gonna lie to you, the cameras on the LG Wings are very good. Gimbal mode and everything else in between is very, very good. Have no issues using the cameras on the LG Wing. All right, guys, so this is the front-facing camera on both of these devices, Android 10, Android 11. Looking at the viewfinder, I'm not seeing no differences. But again, you be the judge for yourself. A overcast sky, no blue skies today, so I can't show you any color there. But look at the background. Looks really good. Let's go to a little bit like that. All right, it looks better. Okay. Yeah, overcast sky, so it's no blue sky, but the skin tones look good. I mean, absolutely amazing cameras here on the LG Wing. I mean, I test out a lot of phones, but every time I use the LG Wing, I am just impressed on how good the cameras are on these devices. Next, battery life. Now, I've only had this update to Android 11 for about 24 hours. I can't really gauge on how good or how bad the battery life is. So stay tuned. I will make an updated video to give you guys my thoughts and impressions about battery life on the LG Wing with Android 11. So overall, this is a good look for LG. Look, they're keeping their promises, and hopefully Android 11 will come to the T-Mobile very, very soon. A lot of stuff is probably under the hood with optimization and bug fixes, which is great. Now, the big question, when will these devices get Android 12? I can tell you this much, I don't mind waiting for Android 12 because Android 12 has to get better. Right now it's a mess. I've been using the Google Pixel 6 and Android 12 is less to be desired for. It's a lot of issues with Android 12. Remember, Android 11 to me is more polished. I believe and I appreciate these manufacturers and OEMs waiting to get Android 12 on their devices. Look, don't rush it, guys. Don't rush Android 12 right now because it's not ready for prime time. I believe that Android 11 is a much better operating system. So this is a good look for LG. Even though the mobile department is closed, they're still sticking to their promise. I promise you, don't rush Android 12. For everybody that's rushing to say, hey, the devices don't have Android 12 and this, that, and other, listen, don't rush Android 12. It's not ready for prime time, in my opinion. So if these devices get Android 11, that is a polished operating system. I do not have Android 11 on my LG Velvet yet. I know a lot of people are saying that Android 11 is out for the LG Velvet. I haven't received it yet, but I did receive Android 11 on my V60 a long time ago. So here it is. This is LG's promise. That's what I'm talking about. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. If you got an LG Wing, go on and update your device. If you do have the LG Wing and you didn't get the update, it's coming to you very soon. If you got the T-Mobile variant, I haven't received it neither. If you got the Verizon wireless variant, you got the update. Go on and update your device and see what it's all about. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.